TM Seekers! This video is to tell you a little bit more about what we have talked about in LDS because I really want all of us, to work towards strategic TM in the final 3 months of our term. So here, I would like to ask you first, so you have been working for TM for 6 months. What have you been doing? What are the key projects that you have been doing every day? Ask yourself this question for these seconds. So is it about recruitment? Is it about recruiting new people? Or is it about facilitating LCMs every week and organizing socials for your members? What are those key projects? But I really want to challenge you, is everything that you do every day, for example, facilitating LCMs and socials, are they really relevant to helping us as an organization to achieve the goals that we want to achieve, which is sending people abroad on exchange? Is it really relevant? Is it helping our organization to achieve our goals? So here, that's why I would really want us to learn to start to work more like an external HR manager, of understanding how we can be more strategic in making people decisions, and especially informed people decisions through data, and understand where our membership is at by creating a member tracker, and work more closer with our other functions, for example, VPOGV, VPOGT, to understand where our membership is at. So in our LDS track, the first thing that we identify what we are missing, learning from the external environment, HR environment, is that how can we create an R&R system to ensure that we identify where is our star membership, where are the membership that is the most productive and the most engaging in our entities, so we can promote this culture of really driving productive and engaging membership in our LCs. But how do we do that in order for us to build a sustainable and informed R&R system? First is through membership tracking. So membership tracking is really important for us to have a system in place to ensure we understand how each of the members is performing, whether they are being productive, whether they are actually driving results in their own functions, within their own JD. And secondly, is how engaged they are in their own functions. Do they attend all of the functional meetings? Do they attend all of the LCMs? I think these are the baseline in order for us to identify who are the star key members in our LCs. So there's 2 main steps on how can we create these members tracking system. First is create a tracker. So first you have to identify what are the criteria that we really need to know in order for us to identify which are the star members. For example, what is their personal goals in their own functions and how far they have achieved their goals throughout every month. And secondly, is how can you create a one-to-one process system with each of the functional VPs for them to give you the information, how's the performance for each of the members in the functions. And so through this regular one-to-one with the VPs, you can get all of the information that you need to fill in the trackers in order for you to understand what is actually happening with all of your membership, and then build an R&R system to help them to drive a certain key behaviors that you would like to see in your LCs, and recognize those key members to advise them to go on to EBs or take on more opportunities and ownership for this entity.